Our mission at Komodo Health is to reduce the global burden of disease. And our foundational belief as a company at Komodo is really the most effective way to do that, to close gaps in care, to address unmet patient needs, streamline market engagement, is through a very deep and nuanced understanding of the patient journey. And that patient journey makes up our healthcare map, which is the core and foundation to every single thing that we do at Komodo, where we are able to track the patient journey of 325 million unique US patients. So you, Andy, everyone else here that has touched a provider in the US healthcare ecosystem, we capture within our healthcare map. So at our core, we've got physicians, we've got data scientists, we've got researchers, we've got technologists, we've got salespeople, you name it, that really work to unlock those critical insights to create a much more cost-effective, value-driven healthcare system. And we build software applications and solutions on top of our healthcare map to support a number of different use cases, to support life sciences companies, patient advocacy groups, consultancies, agencies, you name it, many companies throughout the broad healthcare ecosystem.
You guys serve so many sectors in healthcare. How about the marketing side? How is the tool used for marketing?
Great question. We support a number of companies in the marketing ecosystem, whether it's agencies, whether it's publishers, whether it's marketing technology companies. And again, everything that those companies do all starts with the patient. So that patient centricity approach that we take, whether it's the healthcare media industry that we're speaking about here, whether it's research and development, all of that really helps us understand treatment decisions and really helps us to understand how do we close those gaps in care. So with many of these companies that we work with on the marketing side, what we oftentimes say to them is, imagine a world where you have access to the most robust, timely, representative healthcare map in the market. You're able to get the right message to the right healthcare provider, all of our data identified at the healthcare provider level, to the right patient at the right time. And you can look at the market, you can assess the landscape based on actual disease burden. So what we do as an organization and how we support many of these companies is really strive to get to that ground truth of the patient journey. Clinical data is really where all of that is derived from. So our depth, our breadth of data, our ability to capture this all in real time is what unlocks our ability to support marketing technology companies and agencies to deliver meaningful results across a really broad spectrum of the work that they're doing, the pharma companies that they're partnering with. And all of that means that we support with marketing engagement, measuring impact. Is the campaign, are they able to move the needle there? And with all of that, the patient is at the center of it. And are we bringing about positive outcomes that we can measure on the back end in the process?
And how do you work with partners like Deep Intent on the buy side in the programmatic space?
Yeah, so can't give away all of the secret sauce here, but I will say Deep Intent is one of those visionary companies where what they are doing as an organization very much aligns with what we are doing. And really, it's all about improving the patient's quality of life, ensuring that they are getting access to the right treatment at the right time. So they're also very much so driving a patient-centric approach to the work that they're doing. When we think about our partnership with Deep Intent, there are three innovative components that make up that partnership. First and foremost is attribution. So being able to tie marketing campaigns to real patient and HCP behavior change by linking campaign data with our healthcare map to tell that story. And that brings about this paradigm shift in measuring effectiveness at a new dimension and a new level. The second piece is really that holistic view. So being able to see both the healthcare provider and the patient together, that all speaks with patient journey, patient-centric approach. And third, and lastly, is really that timeliness and cadence. So getting that visibility in near real time to go ahead and optimize campaigns. Deep Intent, best-in-class company. We are honored to be empowering them in the work that they're doing. And when you think about campaign planning, to audience targeting, to measuring, to optimize toward outcomes, deep intent is proven to increase script lift while also improving patients' quality of life. So they support a number of different companies in the healthcare ecosystem, life sciences companies, agencies, marketing technology companies, with really us and our platform and our healthcare map very much at the back end to what they're doing. So at the end of the day, what this all means is we have the ability to make sure that patients are getting access to the right treatment at the right time. And our healthcare map and our platform serves as that standard for reliable, comprehensive healthcare data, all serviced in a comprehensive platform. Our partnership allows Deep Intent to deliver unprecedented ability to run, to manage, to measure these campaigns all within a single platform. Marketers, publishers can really now qualify campaign-specific audiences. They can serve relevant, informative ads with unprecedented speed and precision. And they can measure that real-world effectiveness of advertising on patients and providers. And this can all be done with that unprecedented speed and precision, which makes up, again, the core foundation to everything that we are doing at Komodo with our healthcare map and with our platform.